How to generate a high quality image in OpenArt AI. So I'm over here at the home page. Let's go to image and then go to create image. Over here the AI is gonna generate the images. So make sure you select your model. I'm gonna select this one. At the prompt you tell them what you wanna do with the picture. You can just type give it a better quality, color maybe, lightning, and style. If you just want to change the quality, just tell them give it a better quality. At the reference, you're just gonna upload an image that you want to give it a better quality. So I picked this image, and over here at the output settings, make sure the resolution is 4K. This is the most important thing that you must not forget. And pick your aspect ratio and then generate the image. It's gonna cost 15 credits. I'm gonna click create. After it generated the image, let's click on that. You can see the image is much better quality. I'm gonna download it. And let's see the original picture, which is this one. As you can see, it's very blur and low quality. The AI generated more frames, and if you don't want it, could just crop it. But we are not done yet. Now let's go back to OpenArt AI. Let's close this one. We are not done yet. Now let's go to image upscale. Click on that. Now add the image over here, upload this image that we just generated. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna upscale our image, which is gonna give it higher resolution, which results in a better quality. Now if you wanna know what are these, you could just read all that. It says here, the first one, precise upscale, focuses on staying extremely faithful to the original image without adding much new details. So it keeps the image the same. But if you read creative upscale, it says sometimes it might deviate slightly from the original exact look. So you pick which one you want. I'm gonna go with precise upscale. And over here, you're gonna pick ultra, which it says here, this typically uses a larger, slower, and more powerful model iteration, resulting in a higher quality output compared to the fast version, which prioritizes speed. So we are fine with waiting. We're gonna go with ultra, which is gonna be a better image. And then you click upscale. It's gonna cost 25 credits, and click upscale. I'm gonna skip the waiting. It's taking some time. I'm just gonna wait for it to finish. Okay, so it's done generating the upscale. Let's click on that. And then we download. Now let's see the difference between the two images. This is the old one. And this is the new one. As you can see, you can look at the antennas. As you can see, this is much better quality than the old one, right? And this is what it did. And that's why you wanna upscale the image. And that's it. That's how you generate a high quality image in OpenArt AI. If this video helped you, please make sure to like it. And thank you for watching.